Courtroom 6 of the Federal High Court, Abuja, is packed to bursting point with lawyers, supporters and journalists, anxiously awaiting the ruling of the court in the case of Senator Umar Dahiru versus the APC and Governor Aminu Tambuwal, concerning the application to remove the governor of Sokoto State from office. Justice Gabriel Kolawole dismissed the plaintiff's application for lack of merit. Justice Kolawole held that the plaintiff had claimed in his motion on notice, filed on the 27th of January 2015, that the primary election conducted on the 4th of December 2014 by the APC, which produced Governor Tambuwal, was a sham and in gross violation of the Electoral Act 2010 and the APC election guidelines, but that the plaintiff had then somersaulted to file a fresh motion on notice, seeking the variation of his pleadings in his earlier suit to the effect that he should be declared governor based on the same primary election. The judge said the plaintiff intended to steal a match, which he originally said was null and void. And on this basis, the judge struck out the plaintiff's motion in its entirety. The judge highlighted that granting the application for amendment of the reliefs would change the nature and character of the case file, which the Supreme Court had remitted to the High Court for retrial. Consequently, the application for amendment was dismissed. Justice Kolawole concluded the suit is struck out and has been dismissed. Counsel to the defendants applaud the ruling.
We commend Nigerian judiciary because they always stand to the occasion. And I think his lordship was correct when he says that the amendment sought, it was not in the original case that they filed.
But the lawyer to Senator Dahiru had this to say.
We are going to look at it and then we'll take the necessary steps. It could be an appeal. It could be a curative measures within the registry of the court.
In 2016, the Supreme Court remitted this case back to the Federal High Court for a fresh trial, on the ground that there is life in the case, notwithstanding the conduct of the governorship election. But many are now debating that Justice Kolawole's judgment may not be the end of the saga, as it's not clear whether the plaintiff will try to go for another round of appeal. Yemisi Paye, Channels Television News.